Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Object Detection and Image Recognition. What's in that picture? Imagine you look at a photo and instantly know there's a dog, a ball, and a tree. Your brain does this effortlessly. But how do we teach a computer to do the same? This lesson is about giving computers eyes and a brain to understand what's in images. For us developers, this opens up a world of possibilities. From smart security cameras to self-driving cars, we're going to demystify how computers see and understand pictures. Even if you've never touched AI before a computer can see a dog, it needs to understand what an image actually is. To a computer, an image isn't a cute puppy. It's just a giant grid of numbers. Think of a mosaic or a Lego brick wall. Each tiny square, called a pixel, has a numerical value representing its color and brightness. For a colorful image, each pixel usually has 3 numbers. For red, green, and blue. So, when we feed an image to an AI, we're essentially feeding it a huge spreadsheet of numbers. As a developer, understanding this numerical representation is key, because our programs will be manipulating these numbers. Image recognition is like asking, what's the overall theme of this picture? For example, if you upload a photo to your cloud storage, it might automatically tag it as landscape or food. The AI looks at the entire image and assigns a single best fit label. Think of it like a librarian classifying a book by its main genre. As a developer, if you wanted to build an app that sorts user photos into categories like cats, dogs, or cars, you'd be using image recognition. The AI learns this by being shown thousands of labeled examples, e.g., 10,000 pictures labeled cat, gradually figuring out the patterns that define a cat picture. While image recognition tells us the overall theme, object detection goes a step further. It answers 2 questions. What specific objects are in this picture? And where exactly are they? Imagine playing, "Where's Waldo?" Single quote. Object detection wouldn't just say, "This is a busy scene." It would draw a box around Waldo, the dog, and the bird, telling you exactly where each is located. From a developer's standpoint, this is incredibly powerful. Instead of just knowing an image contains a car, you can get the exact coordinates, x, y, width, height, of every car, pedestrian, and traffic light, which is crucial for things like self-driving cars or inventory tracking in a warehouse. So, how does an AI learn to recognize a dog or detect a car? It's a bit like how we teach a child. We show them many examples, telling them, this is a dog, or this is a car. In AI, this is called training. We feed the AI a massive dataset of images, each carefully labeled by humans. For image recognition, an image might be labeled cat. For object detection, not only is the image labeled, but boxes are drawn around each object with its own label, e.g., dog with a box, ball with another box. The AI then processes these examples, trying to find patterns in the pixel data that correspond to the labels. It makes guesses, gets feedback on its errors, and slowly adjusts its internal rules until it becomes very accurate. As a developer, you'll often work with these labeled datasets to teach or fine-tune your AI models. Object detection and image recognition aren't just academic concepts. They're woven into the fabric of our modern world. Think about self-driving cars, detecting other vehicles, pedestrians, traffic signs, and lanes in real time, security cameras, identifying suspicious activity or recognizing specific individuals, medical imaging, Asterisk helping doctors spot tumors or anomalies in X-rays or MRIs. Retail. Asterisk monitoring inventory, understanding customer behavior, or even enabling scan and go shopping. Augmented reality, AR. Asterisk placing virtual objects accurately in the real world. As a developer, these are just a few examples of the incredible applications you could build using these AI capabilities, solving real problems and creating innovative experiences. The good news is, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to start building with object detection or image recognition. Many powerful tools and pre-trained models exist. Think of it like learning to drive a car. You don't build the car from scratch. Similarly, you can use existing AI frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch and models that have already learned from vast amounts of data. Your job as a developer would be to 1. Choose a problem. Asterisk what do you want your AI to see? 2. Gather data or use existing asterisk find or create images relevant to your problem. 3. Use existing tools asterisk integrate pre-trained models into your application code. 4. Fine-tune optional asterisk teach an existing model to recognize something very specific to your needs. This makes AI accessible and empowers you to start experimenting and building powerful computer vision applications right away. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.